struggling to fall asleep every single night, lying in bed, tired, but awake. What if the problem is not your sleep, but your routine? Most people ruin their nights without even realizing it. Scrolling, overthinking, distracting their minds until their body forgets how to rest. But deep sleep is not luck, it's built. 1. Disconnect from the noise an hour before bed. Turn everything off. No phone, no chaos, no endless scrolling, because your mind needs silence before it can rest. The world can wait. Your peace cannot. 2. Slow your mind down. You don't fall asleep instantly. You drift into it. Read something calm. Breathe slowly. Sit in stillness, because a busy mind creates restless nights, and a calm mind creates deep sleep. 3. Prepare like it matters. Your room, your light, your environment. They matter more than you think. Dim the lights. Cool the room. Make your bed a place of peace, because your environment shapes your habits. This isn't just about sleep. This is about recovery. Energy, focus, your entire life. Because when you sleep better, you think better, you act better, you become better. So tonight, don't just go to bed. Prepare for it, respect it. Because the quality of your nights determines the power of your days.